Hey everyone, welcome to Lady Life on the Pond. This is where we skip the fluff and we jump right into the project. So today I'm going to take the mini excavator, I'm going to hook an attachment to it that is a tow so I can go way over there, which I'll show you in a minute, and get my trailer and bring it up by the garage so I can weld a bracket onto it so that I can hook up a Harbor Freight winch. To make sure this has got plenty of space. Getting the line up here, trying to get her. I'm going to tighten this up as best I can. It doesn't have to be like Hercules tight. You want it pretty tight. Hitch on here. Put your doohickey on. Yes, I call that a doohickey, even though I know it's a pin. Don't bust your shin on that like I just did. Yeah. Hooked up. So I rolled this up with this, cranked it up, snapped it on there. Looks great. Now we're going up there to the garage. Well, around the garage. bring the front of this, yes, the tongue part, not all the way up, but close enough I can get the welder out here underneath the canopy. That's the goal. I'm going to do this right here in reverse, although I need to pick it up some. Let me pick this up. I need to unlatch this. Put my foot here to stop it from spinning so it actually hits the ground. Right now these are on sale. They're not on sale, they're $35. I think when I got mine 2 years ago it was $25, but they are awesome. You've got trailers around your house, or you have construction or something, these are great. If this video helped you out in some way, or if you just found it interesting, hit like and subscribe. Got a lot more to come this summer. Whatever you're working on, just take pleasure in it. Have a blast doing it. Life's too short to major on the minors. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me today, and I will see you on the next one.